Alright, morning riders. I'm Rick. Today we are running late. Hold on. Cardo, music off. Cardo, music off. Oh my god. Cardo, music off. You motherfucker. You're gonna make me do it by my... the event's supposed to be at 1 o'clock. It was pushed back to 1. And I've been seeing a lot of riders kind of going in the opposite direction. I did see one just go in just now. So hopefully... Oh, here's a couple of them. That's exciting. Alright, cool. There they are. Alright. Look at all these people up on the hill. Hell yeah, dude. I like his idea. Taking your idea, buddy. Alright. That was a pretty decent turnout. Alrighty. We're gonna get staged up here. Everybody's already cranking their hogs. That's secure. Secure. That's whatever. It's a fucking wonder that nobody's dumped their shit yet. Honestly. Alrighty. That's funny. Look at this guy. Oh shit. Yikes. Alright, back in business. And there's still plenty of bikes. There's so many bikes. But it looks like the end of the pack is right there, so yeah. I guess you could say it's a pretty good turnout.